Okay, so merge conflict diff view position controls where the diff view should be open when comparing changes in merge conflicts. By default, it's set to current, and so this means the setting pertains to where the diff editor will open. So if you set it to current, it's going to open like so, and you'll have the split view. You know, whatever, however you have the diff editor configured. So mine is configured for split view. So I'm viewing the previous commit and the next one. So there's a merge conflict in line 4. You can set it to beside. So if you compare the changes, it's gonna open on the right hand side, or the last option below. So it's gonna open below, right? I do find that beside and below take up too much space. Well, it's not that they take up too much space, that they don't have enough space for this visualization to be useful. So I'm going to set this to current, the default option, which is the best one. Just open, take up as much space as it can. So I'm going to leave this option set to current.